right, after finishing print assembly onto the leg and all the bracket fixation, now we are going through a small piece attachment from the accessories box. What we are going to attach is this is a waste ink tank tray on the bottom. So using 2 screws, bolt cap bolt to secure the bottom side of printer leg. Alright, the other piece to attach. This is a cable, safety cable clamp, which goes to the power inlet point 1 and 2. Just touch onto the slot, right, associated to. So when you attach the power cable, so here this is I'm in Australia, so the cable shape is the type O. So it has Australian cable. And the inlet goes to here. And adjust the cable clamp. To where the thinner part of the cable starts. Like that. So it won't disconnect easily. So the JV100 printer requires 2 cables. So some of our printer requires 2 inlets, cord, and some of other printers require only 1. So which in Australia, any associated cable comes with the printer. So attach the inlet to accordingly. And adjust the position of the clamp on the narrow part. All right, we are starting figuring out all the fixing case from the factory. So those cartridge case are for any load big printers which supports 600 milliliters ink bag. So this is a reusable ink case for ink bladder for 600 milliliters. So for this guide label, let's still keep it in here so we can refer when the time we start the talk. So we need all the oxygen material inside the printer box, printer pad. So make sure there are no tape and much left over on the printer. Right, we are going to attach the ink color label. So printer comes with two pieces of ink color label, either CMYK double, two pieces each, or CMYK light cyan, light magenta, and orange and black colors. So it depends on what's the ink type and ink set, ink color setting that you are installing with. Attach this label onto the cartridge tray. So we are going to attach this ink cartridge tray. The bottom of the cartridge tray here. So the size of this label is slightly shorter than this ink cartridge tray. So just to put this sticker on an evenly on the side by side. Also attaching this ink cartridge label to the 600 ml nickel case on the back side. So this time we are setting up two sets of magenta, cyan, yellow, black. So we putting magenta, cyan, yellow, black, two pieces each. All right, all the ink level, ink cartridge levels are attached. And box so that get the waste ink tank bottle. Open the cap of the bottle and touch underneath of the. Yeah. Always keep the bottle cap underneath of the ink bottle for you want to use it. All right, attaching the take-up wheel, take-up system cable, electrical cable to the printer unit. So move the take-up unit almost all the way to the printer side. And then connect this cable, electrical cable. Underneath of electrical box of the printer and fasten the screw here. You have a few pieces of a cable clamp in order to support all the cable from the leg part, the touch dot. Also, the spinner cable, which is the electrical grounding cable from the take-up system, is to attach on the unpainted screw hole on the take-up system. Oh, sorry, leg stay. So grab your screw. The cap bolt. Attach the ground cable. You have a plastic handle to adjust the torque tensioner on the take-up. At this moment, from the factory, it's coming as the highest torque mode. So for normal the PVC printing, we recommend to be set as the half user. So there are three different lengths of the line, and make sure that you adjust until only the longest line comes out. and the middle line is not coming out for normal PVC printing. And just leave this plastic piece somewhere nearby.